Hello, my dear friend. I'm very happy to see you today. I have new rules of the reading for you. So, prepare your eyes, your ears, listen and look carefully, and learn our rules of the reading by heart. Let's go! I want to introduce my magic friends to you. They are magic bees, and they like magic flowers. Today, my friends are a magic bee, A-Y, a magic bee, A-I, and a magic bee, E-Y. All my friends like flower A. Look, this is a magic bee, A-Y. It likes flower A. Look at it in these words: day, play, may, pay, say, and pray. Listen one more time. Day, play, may, pay, say, and pray. Our next friend is a magic bee, A-I. It likes flower A. Look at it in these words: paint, brain, main, lane. Listen one more time carefully. Paint, brain, main, lane. And the last, but not the least, our friend for today is a magic bee, E-Y. It also likes flower A. Look at it in these words: they, gray, pray, sleigh. Listen one more time carefully. They, gray, pray, sleigh. My dear friend, thank you for your work. You were well done. Watch this video few times and learn our rules of the reading by heart. Good luck to you and see you soon.